In this video lesson, you'll learn about composition and how to use it in your watercolor artworks.
Western art books list 8 elements of composition. I don't think this is enough, so we will talk about 15 elements that help to build a good-looking artwork with a meaningfully presented subject. Number 5. Proportions. Proportion is the ratio of one dimension to another. You've probably heard about the rule of thirds, when an artwork is divided into 3 equal parts and main objects are aligned according to the division. Other common ratios are 3/5 and 3/8. Things get beautiful when the ratio follows the golden mean, or the golden proportion. The golden ratio is an essential part of art. That is why we have dedicated a separate lesson to it. Here are a few examples of how the golden ratio is used in my watercolor artworks. Number 6. Contrast. Contrast is the juxtaposition of opposite qualities within one artwork, such as strong differences in shapes, sizes, tones, colors, textures, lines, and so on. One artwork can have several contrasts, like light and dark tones, large and small shapes, or warm and cold colors. Number 7. Statics.